My little brother sent me a meme that made me cry. He's almost 13, and I'm in college. Sometimes he comes over during the weekends, and depending on how much free time I have, we'll go catch a movie, explore the city, plan activities, or just hang out in my room playing video games. There have been times when I had so much studying to do that we couldn't leave my room at all. He plays games on my gaming laptop, and I cook meals for us. The meme he sent me was a random shot from a movie with a guy walking away, looking sad. The caption was, POV, 12-year-old me leaving the bro's house after having the best weekend of gaming and watching movies with him. It made me cry during class. I know he really cherishes these moments with me, especially since we're both going through some tough times right now. I'm trying my best to be there for him because I understand how important it is to have a strong support system. He's been opening up to me more, and I feel like our relationship has grown stronger since I moved away for college last fall.